So now we're on the floor, yeah? And this position is called our cannonball position, yeah? Like we're jumping in a pool doing a cannonball. This is a really, really important position in breaking. It's one of the hardest positions to get used to. Our heels need to stay up off the floor the whole time. That's really important here, yeah? And it's gonna be hard on your legs in the beginning, but the more we practice, the stronger we're gonna get, yeah? So from this position, yeah, we can do all sorts of different things, but first, you have to just be able to balance here, yeah? So first step, cannonball position, yeah? This is where we're gonna start most of our footwork from, yeah? Next step, ready? We're gonna take our left hand and put it on the floor, yeah? Take our left leg, put it straight out. Cool? So left hand on the floor, left leg is straight out, yeah? Now we're gonna switch, we're gonna go pushing into our hand, we're gonna jump and we're gonna switch our legs. Switch, and switch, and switch, and switch. And back to our cannonball, boom, yeah? Other side, right hand comes down, right leg goes out. We go, switch, 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 switch. Nice, and come back, boom. So this is the easy one, it's just called switches, yeah? So we can switch left side, switch, 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 and then we can change in the middle. So we wanna have our opposite leg out, yeah? So my left hand's down, my right leg's out. We change it over and we go switch, 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 switch. Change, switch, 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 change, switch, 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 change. Cool? Let's try that with music. So we're going to start with our left hand down, left foot out. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right leg out. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, Awesome job. So that's the footwork set for today. Just our basic switches from our cannonball position, yeah? So we should be able to do switches on our left, switches on our right, yeah? And change in between, cool? We can even do singles, so we could go switch and switch and switch and switch and, cool? If you have that and you're ready to move on, start doing them with no hands. Yeah, a little bit more advanced.